Hey, Kaza fam, Kaza Investor Network here again at our addition project here in Northern Virginia. Quick note about additions is, you see the little yellow line here, that is marking a gas line that we had to disconnect from the house, along with the water and the electric and anything else public utility wise coming into the house anytime you do a major addition and obviously new construction. If you're going to do a tear down, you have to completely disconnect the existing house from any of the existing utilities before you can commence construction. So this is where our gas line came in. That little pipe there goes down to the meter, which is on the inside of the house, this particular property, old school style. It'll end up going back on the outside of the house when we run the gas back out again. But that had to get shut off out there for gas. For electric, used to come in here on the side of the house, and over here where Stretch is messing with the temporary box, that's where the power is going to go temporarily while we're under construction, so the guys have somewhere to plug in until we're finalized and able to run the new line back out to the house again. But that had to be disconnected and the meter removed. Out here in Northern Virginia, that can take anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 months, depending how busy they are. So that's the thing you need to get on pretty quickly, because you typically don't get certain approvals until you can prove all that's been done. So that's gas, that's electric. All that leaves is sewer. And in this house, whereas it typically drains to the front out to your main street if you have one, in this house it drains to the back. Our sanitary sewer line is actually in an easement that runs between the properties here in the rear, and that sanitary sewer line came out the back of the house, which means we had to dig down to it and disconnect it down there. So we're trying to mark where that location is, because that's where we had to cut it and cap it. Special company does that they charge several $100s for. Those guys came out, dug down, capped that off to make sure that we weren't getting any nasty stuff in the drain while we were under construction inside the house. And then once we are finished on the inside, we'll come back out here, tie it back in again, and we'll be able to flush the toilet again. But all that work has got to be done before you get through most of the planning process. So know that in advance, get started on that well in advance, because again, some of these take longer than others to get done and you don't want it to hold you up. Do that, be successful, hit us up, KazaInvestorNetwork.com. Tell us what you're working on. Let us know how we can help out, and we will catch you next time.